This is Ulefone Armor 17 Pro, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can check whether your device is original or fake. So first order of business is to open the About Phone category of settings, then go for the version. In here, look at the serial number, and first thing to do is to compare the serial number over here with the serial number or SN that you have at your phone box or packaging. And if they correspond, you're more or less golden at this point. So the camera is not focusing, so let me manually set up the focus. So yep, you could have post the video and compare them, and they are indeed similar, or identical rather. And also your phone. Let me get my Ulefone back into the focus. So you can also additionally check the serial number over here, or the box packaging serial number, with the one that you have at the sticker at the back of your device. It might not be always there, but if you have it, there is another way to calm yourself and make sure that your phone or device is indeed original. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.